you ever wondered if there was more to a story than people were leading on? Or theories that seem so crazy but so true? Well, that's a conspiracy theory. I'm Emily Brookins, and this is my TED Talk about conspiracy theories. The phrase conspiracy theory means the belief that some covert but influential organization was responsible for a circumstance or event. This phrase was first originally popularized by the CIA when they were suspecting that something didn't happen as it was told. But it was later realized it was first recorded in 1909 for an article for the American Historical Review. The phrase conspiracy theory comes from the Latin word conspirationum, which means act of conspiring. It's now been nearly 4 decades since Neil Armstrong took his giant leap for mankind, if that is, he ever set foot on the moon. Many theorists say that NASA had Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong acting out the Apollo mission, acting out on a secret film set located, depending on the theory, either high in the Hollywood Hills or deep within Area 51. With the photos and videos of the Apollo mission only available through NASA, there's no real proof if it's faked or if it's real. One example is this picture of a rock. As you can see, there's a letter C on it. Well, sometimes on movie sets or film sets, they letter or number their props, so that way the stage crew knows where to put them. Another example are these 2 pictures of the flag waving in the moon. As you can see, there's clearly the presence of wind. Wind is impossible in space, and space is like a vacuum, and then when it's a little atmosphere, that there can't possibly be wind. Many theorists suggest that famous filmmaker Stanley Kubrick may have helped NASA fake the lunar landing. With his 1968 film, 2001: A Space Odyssey, proves that technology existed back then to create a space-like set. Now, 3 astronauts supposedly died while testing equipment for the space mission, but more theorists say that they were executed by the U.S. government because they were afraid they would tell everyone the truth about the space mission. Now, why would anyone believe the world's flat? For one reason or another, the flat Earth movement has witnessed a rise in popularity throughout recent years. Well, for one, the horizon isn't curved. If you were to look at the sun setting horizon, you would see that it isn't curved like the sun is, like the moon is, like the Earth is. But this idea seems to forget that Earth has an average diameter of 7,918 miles. In other words, it's very, very big. Imagine an ant sitting on a basketball that's 3,280 feet in diameter. It wouldn't be able to tell it was on a sphere. But if that surprising number of people say that a lot of pictures of the Earth are photoshopped, whether to make them look more colorful or to make them look like a sphere. But if that's the case, and NASA is photoshopping pictures of the Earth, then NASA spends almost all of its multi-billion-dollar budget on thousands of graphic designers. See, with all these conspiracy theories, the question is, why are they so believable? Why do even the most crazy conspiracy theories that Justin Bieber's a lizard, that Taylor Swift is a Satanist, have lots and lots of believers? No matter how crazy a conspiracy theory is, there are still people that believe in it. When people come up with a conspiracy theory, they don't just say, you know what, I think Justin Bieber's a lizard. You need to come with factual evidence that's based off of your conspiracy, and need to at least make some sort of sense. No matter how crazy a conspiracy theory is, there are still people that believe in it. In conclusion, conspiracy theories can show you a different side of the story. It can help you understand stuff you don't understand. The truth is rarely the best story. And when the truth isn't the only story, the truth deserves another look. Thank you so much for watching, and here are my sources.